All right, Cadence, what are we doing today?
I'm going to Disneyland.
We're not going to Disneyland. Well, that's anticlimactic. Where are we going today?
Store.
The store. Are we going to Disney on...
No, baby.
Are we going to Disney on Ice?
No, baby.
No, baby.
On coffee.
Say Disney on Ice.
On coffee.
Hey guys, and welcome back. This video is really just so I can go back and view it and remember this memory that I have with her. It's one of the reasons why I was excited to start YouTube, so I can do things like this and go back and look on it. I'm not gonna lie, I was excited to wear my DIY little mini ears again. I didn't even tell her to do that. She remembered it, and I thought it was perfect.
Disneyland
Disneyland with
with ice.
ice. Disney on ice. Say yay.
Yay. Let's go.
Okay. You guys, if Disney on Ice is ever in your city or a drivable distance, seriously, just go. And I wish I would have taken more video, but unfortunately I didn't. So at the end, this was the face I got, but totally worth it.